Hello mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll solve the practice problem number 1.10 of CSWA. So here is the practice problem. You can see the dimensions, all dimensions are given here. We have few hints over there, and mmgs is the unit we have to use, and few details are given here. So let's start making the diagram, and I'll make this part in two different parts. Okay, so I'll draw the first this part and then mirror the complete part, so it will like make the whole part. All right, so 35 by 2. The outer diameter, the outer radius is 22. Okay, then we have the inner radius, which is 25 diameter. Okay, both are concentric. Now the center of this hole from this bottom side is 45. Okay, and these two lines are perpendicular to each other. All right, so we'll extrude this part. The extrude height is 10 mm. Now I'll draw the other part here. This is also 10 mm. So this one is done, but the extrude is inside, right? All right, Now I'll mirror the complete drawing about this face.